It's Monday, November 22nd. Thank you for joining us at XM.com for the Daily Market Comment by Raf Boyajian. I'm Cristina Marujos. The Fed's second-in-command may have just opened the door to a faster pace of tapering, but stocks nevertheless edged higher at the start of the week, as there appeared to be little fallout in the bond markets. Vice Chair Richard Clarida became the first senior Fed official on Friday to suggest that policymakers could discuss a quicker exit from QE at the December meeting. However, markets don't seem spooked by the prospect of accelerated tapering. The recent upturn in economic indicators in the United States, not to mention the exceptional earnings season, might be cushioning the blow. But it's also possible that investors are betting on President Biden appointing Lael Brainard as the next Fed chair, which would strengthen the dovish camp at the U.S. Central Bank. Ahead of that, U.S. stock futures were moving into record territory, except for the Dow Jones. It follows a mixed session on Friday when only the Nasdaq Composite and Nasdaq 100 managed to finish higher. European and Asian indices were down too on Friday, but have swung into the green today. On the other hand, expectations of a prolonged period of easy monetary policy shored up risk assets in Europe, even as storm clouds gather over the continent. European Central Bank Chief Christine Lagarde is keeping the equity bulls happy by reinforcing her objection to premature tightening. But this has come at the expense of the euro, which plunged to a more than 16-month low on Friday. Sterling is being dogged by similar concerns, even though the Bank of England continues to talk up rate hike expectations. One central bank that is almost certain to hike rates soon is the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. The bank is widely expected to hike rates on Wednesday, though the New Zealand dollar barely held on to the $0.70 amid the stronger greenback. The Canadian dollar was slightly firmer too, even though oil prices rebounded only modestly from last week's sell-off. Japan was the latest country to indicate it might take part in a U.S. request to release some of its strategic oil reserves to ease the energy crisis. In the meantime, WTI futures were last up about 0.5% after finding support around $75 a barrel. This was a Daily Market Comment here at XM.com. Have a great week.